Well, hello everyone. Welcome once again to my channel. It's Sean from SeanKBeauty. If you're new to my channel, my name is Sean. My background is microbiology and biochemistry. I bring science to beauty. I also do luxury makeup tutorials and luxury unboxings. So today's video, I'm super excited to bring to you because I've gotten a few products sent to me to unbox with you all, and some of them I got to use for a few days to really give you an in-depth review on, and others are just first impressions, and I'll make sure that I draw the line of delineation so you know what is what. I have a few skincare products. I have something for your jewelry. I also have something for your hair, so hair accessory. So let's get right into this because I'm super excited to get started. A huge thank you to anyone who has newly subscribed also to my channel. I hope you would like, subscribe, and share and be a part of the community if you're new and just visiting for the first time. All right, so let's get started with this video. All right, friends, so I'm super excited to talk about this company because I was elated that they reached out to me, and it is from a company called Elevation Time Stops. They have a lot of elite boutique spas in Mexico, New York City, the Philippines, as well as London. And they sent me a considerable amount of product, and I just want to say a huge thank you to them because you all know that I'm very much into skincare and I love to bring science to beauty. So this is one that I am humbly grateful to receive. So let's just talk about the first product that I have in my hand, and this is definitely the luxury side of skincare, so it is a nice premium that is behind these products. And this one is the Repair Youth Lifting Creation Facial Serum. So I wanted to show you all. Oops, my lighting. There you go. And it has this beautiful luxe gold foil on the sides. Really nice, would look good in your bathroom. I would keep them in the box. And what I love about this serum is it has some key actives that I've been talking about, even in what you should be looking for in your eye creams. They have it in the serum, which is really great. And that is hyaluronic acid, bringing in 1,000 times its weight in water. Vitamin C, great for brightening, as a great brightening agent. And this also has in it shea butter. And remember, I talked about shea butter as well as omega-9 fatty acids. You want to look for those inside your eye creams to really lock in hydration. So that shea butter is going to lock in that hyaluronic acid, the moisture that the hyaluronic acid brings with water from the atmosphere. It's going to lock that in. And shea butter is also one known to be more like an emollient to bring about that moisturization and that hydration to the skin. And I love the design on the inside. Look at this. This is absolutely gorgeous. And it has a magnetic flap, so it just closes when you snap it down. So this next product is the Clear Face Cleansing Gel. This is so good, friends. I like to use products before I review them on my channel or talk about them on my channel. This one has amino acids, it has lipids, it also has aloe vera juice, peptides, which I talk about in my previous video. If you want a healthy glow to the skin because it's dull, then I definitely say try this. It's for all skin types. I would also say to try their 24K mask in conjunction with this. I'm a huge proponent of using products in a line. Going into the 24K, and this is called a gold tiara mask. You all have talked about this in a previous video. I did a little bit of a demonstration with this. I won't go into the details of 24K gold, but this is a beautiful mask. It has a little flap to open it up. You slide the box out, it's like a book, and you're just gonna open this up and pull out your mask. I'll actually put that down for a sec. And this also comes with the spatula and the magnet. The magnet is to pull any impurities out of the skin and leave the gold behind. So it's a detoxing mask, also brings radiance and a healthy glow to the skin. So again, I won't talk too much about this, but look at the packaging. It's so luxe, it's so beautiful, and I really appreciate them sending this out to me. So a huge thank you to Tiffany & Company for sending me out this jewelry care kit. Absolutely love this. I've been a partner with Tiffany & Company on a lot of specialty things going on that I have for young people, and they actually sent this out to me for all of my jewelry that I pretty much buy from them. So I'm wanting to say a huge thank you to them. I don't know if you all have seen this, but what is happening is if you're not able to clean your jewelry, they would actually offer you this care kit for you to clean your jewelry. So just going to show you what this looks like. Very sleek packaging, as we know Tiffany & Company is known for, and giving you quality of product. And look at this. So this is your cleaning solution. It is liquid based. You definitely want to be careful with that. Make sure that you open with care. It has the little brush, also has a tweezer here, especially if you have jewelry that is really hard to get in between. Definitely this solution will come in handy. They also have these cloths as well that you can travel with to clean your jewelry. I have a few of these, so definitely get your hands on the jewelry kit from Tiffany & Company and experience, you know, just refinishing your silver to see that radiance come back to life and the tarnish to be alleviated with this kit. All right, friends, so this company is Diminuage. I talked about their rejuvenation kit before. This is for anti-aging and also reducing fine lines and wrinkles, but hyperpigmentation as well. So there are brightening serums in here. How this works is there is a pen that will deliver your serums into the skin 20 times faster, and overnight delivery to really bring about that youthful look to the skin when you wake up. So I'll show you all. This is the velvet pouch that the Luxe pen comes in. I will show you all that pen. So very beautiful. They give you the nano chips that you would actually attach to the top of the pen, and then they give you the serums that you'd also use here. And you don't have to use these serums if you don't want to. You can actually use your very own serums that you love. So your Advanced Night Repair would be good to put on, and then use the nano chip to really deliver that into the skin. They give you the adapter cord for it as well. You just insert that to the bottom. So really great product. And I'm very grateful to Diminuage for sending this out to me. It's very posh, very luxe, as they call it, the Luxe pen. So I just wanted to show you all this product from Irresistible Me. This is the Black Diamond Infrared Professional Hair Straightener. And I've been using this for a few days and just wanted to unbox this with you all. But I want you to see how luxe it is on the inside with the rose gold plates. Really love this. It looks very luxe. I've been using it for a few days. Heats up super fast. And I love the rose gold accents throughout the flat iron. It also comes as a plug up, and the cord is long enough where you can move around if you need to. There's an LED screen at the top, and I'll show you the inside too, because it's rose gold titanium plates as well as the buttons on the inside as well. So the LED screen shows you the temperature that you're using, and then you have your adjustment buttons and your power button. Also, the green lets you know that you're good to go. And my hair just needed to be straightened, and this does iron it out really, really nicely. And it gives a beautiful curl that holds. Now for me, when I'm flat ironing, I love to clip the curls too with silver clips. Not so much on the bottom, but at the top especially, just so the hair can hold a curl. But look how pretty this is, you all. Like, it is so, so nice. Hey friends. So I took my hair down and I've been using this for a while. It keeps the curls all day. It's so beautiful. And I'm wanting to show you a comparison contrast to my plates in my Remington. And the rose gold titanium plates are really, really smooth. And in this technology is what they call a dynamic alignment system, which allows for the plates to provide that perfect contact with your hair so it glides smoothly and it doesn't pull and break. My Remington pulls and breaks, okay? It pulls and breaks the hair. And there's a booster in the Irresistible Me that my Remington does not have also. And just looking at my Remington versus the Irresistible Me, you can see the difference in the plates. The booster and the generator in the Irresistible Me, it helps to seal the hair's cuticles and boost shine and helps you to retain moisture. But you can end up with dryness with my Remington, honestly. So just comparing the two, you can see the Irresistible Me is more luxe, and it is also, you know, just one with a better technology than the Remington. Super duper excited to have these companies see me as a valuable resource to deliver this information to you all. So hopefully you found this video helpful. Do like, subscribe, and share. Let me know what's your favorite out of everything that I talked about here in this video. The discussion continues. I love you all so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Ciao for now.